are going to love the 2018 Dodge Charger. Inject some versatility, comfort, and sophistication into your muscle. The Charger is a powerful sedan that excites at every turn. Peace of mind comes standard with Charger's 5-star government front and side impact crash test rating. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, stability control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, aluminum wheels, keyless start, floor mats, 4-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, rear defrost, MP3 player, bucket seats. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.